Trading NAS 100 and US30. What's heading? What's going on, everybody? Trading NAS 100 and US30. These are some of the most highest paying pairs, right? But then, yeah. So you see, I just put in like 1,000 right there. $1,000. Remember, you guys have not been specializing in this. So I put in $1,000 and I made a profit of 322. But you know what? With the way I'm trading, I was supposed to be sitting at maybe $2,000 because you check the trade. You check the trade right there. You check the trade. You see the trade. I bought from here. I bought at this point and it went all the way up. 1,150 pips. It's still running now. Remember, I've not been trading NAS 100 and US30, guys. That's one thing you must remember. I've not been trading NAS 100 and US30. But the thing is, let me wave at everybody who's coming in. Thank you for 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 coming in. Just very important things I have to share with you guys. You know, we're always busy with this. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so like what I was saying, I don't specialize in NAS 100 and US30, but now because of the demand, people are asking me why not trading US and NAS 100. You know, gold as well. So because of the signals that I'm gonna be putting, the signals that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, I had to start looking at this thing in that particular view. I don't know a good trader. I mean, a good broker. Sorry, not a good trader. A good broker. I know a whole lot of books. I mean, brokers. But a few that is good because you see, with this broker, I open small volumes. You can check there. Small volumes. Where are the volumes? You can check 0.01. I made $322. This is not rands, this is dollars, guys. But remember, it's a demo anyway. I was trying to see how they are doing it. You know, I was trying to see how they're doing it. But this is the thing. I'm checking brokers before I even put my money. I commit my money into any broker. I wanted to see a good broker. So with this one, I caught over 1,000 pips right to the tip. 1,000 pips right to the tip right there. And you see where my take profit. I told you guys, just to check the brokers out, I couldn't commit my money. But you check the time, it was 21:17 where I put that 1,000. And then you can check the first trades, 0.05. They were not allowing me to open any more trades. The leverage is very tight. But anyway, I made 322 in about 15 to 30 minutes. So tomorrow I'll be putting my money in a proper broker. I don't know which broker is good. Somebody saying code 4. It's the one that I'm using, but yeah, it's the one that I'm using. I'm not convinced. I'm really not convinced. I want a broker that gives me value for my money. So US30 is the simplest thing you can trade in this market. US30 is the simplest thing you can ever trade. It's the simplest. US30, NAS 100, these are the simplest things you can ever trade. But then the thing is, I want a good broker. Guys, come on. I've been practicing this thing. Tomorrow I'm putting live money and I'll be trading live. This is the simplest. I caught 1,000 pips in like nothing, in like 15-30 minutes. I was sitting on over 1,000 pips. But you know, even for the reason for me to start testing with a broker, it's because I already know what I am doing. I already know what's going on in the market. I've been studying this thing. I've been checking it out. I'm not sure about Globex 360, my brother. I'm not convinced about that broker. Somebody's saying Veracity. Take them. Take any broker that you think is good. Take them here on my live. It's still the highs and lows, guys. I caught this low. You know I don't do anything. I caught this low. But then I couldn't jump in here. I was still sorting the broker issue out. Then as soon as I jumped in here. 1,534 pips. If there's any broker that if they're on Instagram, check them. Hugo's Way, Pepperstone, IC Markets. No, I trade the highs and lows, brother. That's all I focus on. Is there a thing like Trade 245? Is there a broker like Trade 245? Is that a broker? Ice Market. Oh, please check them, guys. Yeah, I'm going to start sending signals from Monday. Signals will be on Monday. FX Pro. Okay, I think I know FX Pro. Take them on my page here. I want to see them. I'm not going to delete this live. Signals are back on Monday, guys. Veracity Markets. Okay. Which one? The spreads are bad. Which one has got the bad spreads? Because, guys, I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to make money. Nah, I use Xness. Not for indices. I'm telling you, I caught the low, guys. You see where it's going. I caught the low. There's no two ways about it. There's no two ways about it. The fact that I'm not making noise about US30 or NAS 100, it doesn't mean that I'm not seeing what's going on, guys. I'm the best at what I do. You have to respect me. Hey, I'm seeing a whole lot of Trade 245. Okay, I'll check them out tonight. Yo, I'm the best, guys. There's no way this market is going to drop and go and beat that low. There's no way. It's not possible. If they do that, I retire from trading. If they do that, I retire from trading. I caught the low. I told you when I came on live. I told you when I came on my live that I was in a buy. And you know I only trade the lows and the highs. I focus on that. That's my main thing. I focus on the lows and the highs. I don't care where they move or when, what. When I give you a signal, place a trade and then you go. Place the trade and go. It's that simple, man. It's that simple. Do you trade Germany 30? I haven't traded it. I haven't traded it, but I'm still gonna see what I can do. I'm the best. I'm number one. And I'm not competing with anyone, guys. You should understand that. When I say I'm number one, I'm not saying I'm competing with anybody. I mean, I'm the best at what I do. I'm number one at what I do. I'm not competing with anybody. If they they trade well. They use different approaches. But when it comes to lows and highs, this one, Katu, I don't even know you, bro. I don't even know you. These are people who speak shit about me, but they don't know me.
Two students' houses were robbed, and Tariq was near or on the premises both times. The truth is,
now we sell or buy. I've been in a buy. I caught the low. It will be late for you to buy, though.
yeah, I heard about that. It's very sad.
I'm always, you check, guys, watch this. Watch this. Watch what I trade. Anytime I open a broker or I open my MT4, I look at US30, gold, Apple, Amazon, NAS 100. And also I look at GBP. You understand? That's how it goes. US30, gold, Apple, Amazon, and NAS100 and GBP. That's the only things I look at. Yes, my friend. But then there's new content, obviously, I'm going to be putting regarding these things I'm trading now. It's asking if my videos are pre-recorded on the website. Yeah, but then there's new videos I'll be putting. The problem is people steal my content and then they go there and send me a DM if you haven't received a message. So I tell you guys, I'm the best at this. I'm the best at this. Someone saying they received they're lying. They're lying. They're saying, hey, they're my mentee. Oh, I know all my mentees. I don't just have everybody as my mentee. I know all of my mentees. Understand? My mentee has a problem. I know they will talk to me about it. And then I'll address them. I'm always improving, guys. Okay. So God bless everybody. I'll be live tomorrow again. Tag me on your posts. Tag me on your comment sections. Tag me. Let me see which broker you're talking about. Show me the broker that you're talking about. Tag me on your story. Tag me on your story. Tag me on your story. Tag me and the broker you're talking about on your story on Instagram, of course. Tag me on your story on Instagram. And the broker that you are referring me to, I'll sign up. And then I'll check them out tomorrow. Then Monday, IFX. Tag me on your stories. As soon as this video is done, tag me on your stories. Tag me on your stories. Tag me on your stories. Let me see the broker that you're talking about. God bless everybody. God bless everybody. God bless everybody. Visit my website, bro. Hi, Rockstar, your website. My website is working. WhatsApp me on this number. This is our number. This is our number. Guys, this is our number. This is my number. You see there? That's my number. That's my number right there. God bless everybody. Thank you, Mr. Sinesipo Pants. Thank you, brother. May God bless you, man. Thank you guys so much. Yes. Thank you for coming on live. Don't worry. I'll add value to your lives. God bless you. I love you all. Good night.